Hey, I'm Sean. I'm a travel photographer and filmmaker, and this is my home office desk setup. Don't worry, I'm going to try not to get too nerdy. When I stopped renting an office because I was rarely ever actually there, I set out to build a space at home that was versatile enough for me to work on multiple projects simultaneously, yet still qualify as minimal. Starting with the desk, I wanted to get something that would look good in photos because I knew I would probably be using it for product shoots from time to time. I couldn't find a piece that met all my requirements, so I had a kitchen company make this custom 1.8 meter double thickness countertop with a matte finish. The primary function of this setup is to be an editing suite. So when it came to picking a screen, I had to thread the line between quality and not breaking the bank. I initially opted for a single 27-inch 1440p monitor, but quickly realized I needed more space. So I added a second, much less expensive 27-inch 1080p monitor, which I mostly use for referencing. I went wireless with my keyboard and mouse as I'm not a gamer and wasn't worried about latency. The Surface keyboard and mouse by Microsoft were purely an aesthetic choice, especially that beautiful Arc mouse. Just look at that thing. Sticking with the black, white, and gray theme are the Audio Engine A2 Plus speakers. These are a great size if you want your speakers to sit on the desk, and they also match the rest of my setup perfectly. I had my eye on these for ages and had to import them from Europe, but it was well worth the inconvenience it caused my friend Britt, who had to bring them for me. They sit on acoustic foam to keep them from rattling the table when they're cranked up. The whole setup is powered by the incredible Gigabyte Aero 15X. This 6-core i7 beast is more than capable of handling any footage my Sony a7R III or DJI Mavic 2 Pro can throw at it. I went with a thin and light gaming laptop because I'm often on the road and being able to just unplug and go is extremely important. Because I'm a giant nerd and I've always wanted to do this, all the lights and even the blinds are controlled by my Google Home. So I just say the command and the lights turn on or change color, or the blinds open. Alright, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Cheers.